Let's make cranberry-orange bread. For the dry ingredients, flour, baking powder, and salt. Into a stand mixer, unsalted butter, and sugar. Beat on high speed for 4 to 5 minutes, or until light and fluffy. Then add eggs one at a time, a little Nilla, whole milk, some orange juice, and orange extract. Then add the dry ingredients, mix until combined. Into a small bowl, craisins, and a little bit of flour. Toss to coat, fold that into the batter, pour into a baking pan, bake at 350 degrees for 55 to 65 minutes. For the orange powdered sugar glaze, powdered sugar, whole milk, and orange extract. Give it a quick whisk, drizzle with the orange glaze, and there we have it, a cranberry orange bread.